Advanced tools for professional users. Have you ever wondered how companies send hundreds of personalized letters in just a few clicks? Or how teams collaborate on documents without confusion? Or maybe you've wanted to protect your Word documents from unauthorized editing? Well, today you are about to unlock some of the most powerful professional tools inside Microsoft Word. Welcome to Module 6 Advanced Tools for Professional Users. In this module, you will learn how to automate letters using mail merge. You also learn how to collaborate professionally using track changes. And you learn how to secure your documents with password and editing restrictions. These are real-world skills used in offices, schools, churches, businesses, and organizations every single day. So open Microsoft Word, follow along, and let's get started. Section 6.1.
Imagine typing 500 invitation letters manually, changing each person's name one after the other. Sounds exhausting, right? That's exactly why Mail Merge exists. Mail Merge allows you to create one document and automatically personalize it for hundreds or even thousands of people. This saves time and reduces mistakes. The process of using Mail Merge largely depends on two very important components. Firstly, the main document. This can be in the form of your letter template, invoice, quotes, thank you message, and many more. Secondly, your data source. Usually, this can be an Excel file containing names and information. For example, name, address, program. Microsoft Word connects to this data and automatically inserts the correct information into each letter. Now, let's learn how to use Mail Merge using this sample admission letter from Rafina Systems. Suppose I want to send this admission letter to all newly admitted students into the Microsoft Word Mastery class. Instead of typing every student's name manually, Word can automatically insert names, address, emails, phone numbers, and any other necessary information. This is the admission letter from Rafina Systems. Let's now learn how we can send this letter to all the newly admitted students into the Microsoft Word Mastery class step by step. Open Microsoft Word if you have not done so already. Go to the Mailings tab and click on it. You will notice that with the exception of the Start Mail Merge, Select Recipient, Labels, and Envelopes, every other tab is inactive. Click on Start Mail Merge and choose Letters. After that, click on Select Recipient. When you click on Select Recipient, you have the option of typing or creating a list of recipients. Use an existing list, or you can also choose from Outlook contacts. In our case, we already have an existing list of students which we have saved in an Excel file. So let's click on Use Existing Student. Let's go to our file location where we saved our file. Open it and select the file containing the list of our students. After that, click Open and click OK. Immediately this is done, then the inactive tabs under Mail Merge becomes active. Click on Edit Recipient List and you notice that all fields and tables contained in your Excel file have been imported into Microsoft Word. And inserted merge fields include name, address, and program, just as we have in our Excel file. Name, address, and program. Click on OK to exit the dialog box. Now you see, just like magic, Word can create personalized letters automatically for every student in the list. You can either edit, print, or send this letter to every student in the list by clicking on Finish and Mail Merge. Using Mail Merge to create letters is not the only thing that you can do. You can also use it to create envelopes and also labels. With envelopes, you have the option of writing the delivery address and also the return address. If the letter is not delivered, you can either send it through e-posting or print it. You also have other options that allows you to choose the envelope size and then printing option. With labels, you can also type the address that you want to send the label to and either print it, create a new document out of it. Apart from envelopes and labels, You can also create certificates, name tags, and many more. This is extremely useful for churches, schools, offices, event organizers, businesses, and many more. Feel free to explore the rest of the tabs under Mail Merge, and remember that practice makes a man perfect. Section 6.2 Track changes and document collaboration. Now let's talk about teamwork. What do you think will happen when multiple people edit the same document? Without proper tools, documents may become messy very quickly. That's why Microsoft Word allows you to track changes, comment, and real-time collaboration. Track changes records every edit made to a document. If someone deletes a text, Word will show it. If someone also adds a text, Word will highlight it. This is perfect for teachers reviewing assignments, managers reviewing reports, teams collaborating on projects. Let's learn how to enable track changes in our document step by step. To do this, let's go to the Review tab. Click on it and click on Track Changes. As soon as you click on Track Changes, every edit you make to the document will become visible. Once an edit is made, you can either accept it or reject it. This gives you a complete control over your document. Let me delete this line. Also, now you see what have just happened. Let me click on Accept, and also let me click on Reject. Sometimes you might not want to edit directly, but instead you can leave a comment like this: please review this session, add more details here, correct the spelling. Comments make collaboration professional and organized. And to enable this, all what you have to do is to click on Insert Comment. I can add any of these comments. Please review this. If your file is saved on OneDrive, multiple people can work on the same document at the same time. This is called real-time co-authoring. You can literally see who is editing, what they are typing, and changes happen live. This is incredibly useful for remote teams and online collaboration. Section 6.3 Protection and Document Security. Now let's protect our hard work. Imagine creating an important document and someone accidentally changes or deletes information. Microsoft Word gives you powerful security tools to prevent that. You can protect your document with passwords, and to do this, go to File and click on Info. This provides you with this option. You can protect your document, inspect your document, and manage your document. Let's click on Protect Document. When you click on Protect Document, you have this: Open Read Only, Encrypt with Password, Restrict Editing, Restrict Access, Add Digital Signature, or Mark as Final. Let's click on Encrypt with Password. When this dialog box opens, you can type in the password that you would want to encrypt your document with and click OK. I left it blank because I don't want to add any password to it. Sometimes you want people to read your document but not edit it. That's where restrict editing comes in. You can allow only comments to be made to your document, or you can allow only form filling. Also, you can prevent any formatting changes. This is useful for contracts, official letters, official forms, policies, certificates, and many other documents. When a document is complete and you don't want any further changes to be made to it, then you can mark it as final. This tells others that the document should no longer be edited.
it helps prevent accidental changes. Let's connect these tools to real-world scenarios. Schools sending admission letters can use mail merge. Teachers reviewing assignment can track changes. To the business owner, employee letters can be sent using mail merge. To the church owner, members can easily be communicated with, and also forms and records can be protected. To the students, they can also use group project collaboration, research document reviews, and many more. That brings us to the end of Module 6. But before we go, you know what time it is? It is assignment time. Practical assignment on Module 6. Assignment 1. Mail merge. Create a personalized invitation letters using an Excel data source. Assignment 2. Track changes. Create a document. Turn on track changes. Make edits. Add comments. Also accept or reject changes. Assignment 3. Protect a Word document by adding password, restrict editing, and also marking it as final. Excellent work! You've just learned some of the most important professional tools in Microsoft Word. These are the same tools used in offices, schools, businesses, organizations worldwide. If you've enjoyed this lesson, like the video, comment your favorite feature, subscribe for the next module, and don't forget to download the practical assignment files in the description below. In the next module, we will learn how to work with long documents professionally. See you in Module 7. Thank you and bye for now.